Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to disable two-factor authentication on your GoDaddy account. All right, so let's begin with the video. So here we're on our dashboard for our GoDaddy account, and what you want to do is go to the top right where you see your profile. Then under your profile, you want to click on where it says View next to the Pin option. If you click on View, this is going to bring you to the Security Settings page. Now, we want to scroll down and find the two-step verification section right here. We can see that we have an SMS verification set up. If we want to go ahead and remove this, what we can do is click on the Edit button. Then we want to click on where it says Delete next to the SMS option. Let's go ahead and click on Delete. It will ask, are you sure you want to remove this SMS factor authentication? Let's go ahead and click on Remove. And now we can see that we don't have two-step verification active anymore. If we ever wanted to re-enable the verification, all we have to do is click on where it says Add Verification. So that's basically how you can disable two-factor authentication on your GoDaddy account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.